Guys, got about 1 minute or so. Have a good race. Take it easy through the finish line area. Good luck.
Give me a second, let me catch some feelings. On the bank with the ballpoint, run around and tell the lyrics I'm dealing. Boss speed, got Felix, got the sound you're hearing something so appealing. Don't stand around when the party's going down. Throw your hands at the ceiling now. Now, it's going down. Now, for the illness, needed a shot from Doc Felix. You hit the spot, feel it. What we got, we're the realest on offer. Flow like a 20 mil top. I couldn't shut this shit here down even if the cop dropped. Up with the cease and desist. With boss me this week. It's going down. It's smoke when the roads we live in the lead. So it's when you keep the soul. I'm chatting to the heads in Helen. And all my brothers at and Borough to Eltham. Victoria, Melbourne, baby born and bred. Dropped a couple of classics, you heard the talk, got cred. Now to the local scene, I'm more than a vet. Spent some time abroad, spending my royalty checks. Money I made off my last album, I called it in bed. Cause I was sleeping on the shit, I heard it bored me to death. Give me a second, let me catch some feelings. On the paper, the ballpoint, run around and tell the lyrics I'm dealing. Boss speed, got Felix, got the sound you're hearing something so appealing. Don't stand around when the party's going down. Throw your hands at the ceiling now. It's going down like. Catch me rolling through the hood. Hurstbridge, Heidelberg, Collingwood to Richmond, 3121. It's by speed, don't front. When you feel the funk running through the beats with the drums and kicks, head to the streets of Brunswick East, coming with something sweet, something to pump and repeat, something so butter coming from underneath. Boys got you up on your feet when the eruption peaks. Nothing but heat. Every time the lights turn on, you heard other words, you heard wrong. Your best doesn't get better, my worst song. All it needs a beat to get spurred on. I rap till it hurts, son. You heard the word, I burst lungs. Other rap careers a third rung. I'm top of the ladder, building over and getting work done. Let's go with those, these shows I'm stealing. Yeah, Doc Felix on the decks. Take a second, let her catch some feelings. Give me a second, let me catch some feelings. On the paper, the ballpoint, run around.